can't keep up with your style. I can't keep up.
Pushing of your hamstrings here. Do you feel that? Back to the leg.
You're doing good. You got 10 points.
So opposite hand. Get nice and tall while you do it.
Keep going.
That's it.
So this is me working out. I'm new to this. This is the first day of many, but I'm inspired to work out. So hopefully me working out inspires you too. Now, anybody who knows me knows that I am not the girl who works out. That's just not me. No, I don't do it. I'm not doing it to like lose weight or my doctor recommended it or anything. I'm doing it because, you know, I feel like you get older, your birthday puts a little pressure on you, like you gotta get fit. So this is why I'm doing it. I ain't gonna say that I'm not gonna eat a couple of potato chips after this, because I probably will, but don't worry about that, okay? So at least I'm trying. It starts one day of many. All it is push forward, try it one day, and you can do so much. So I'm inspired today, you guys, and I wanna inspire you to be in a good, positive mood today. All right, this is my little Saturday adventure. I'm taking you with me. I'm taking you with me to my Saturday adventure. Starting off with some working out. Then I'm gonna hop in my car, get me some good lunch. Me and my son are conquering our Saturday, and kind of look a mess right now, but I'm gonna spruce myself up, you know. But this is just the Saturday with Ms Tiff Dance and Son family occasion. Working out, that's what we're doing. So I have to involve the kids. I'm getting healthy. I'm doing something healthy for the body. Now I'm gonna do something for the mind, relaxation, a nice meal to enjoy myself. So come along for the ride, enjoy yourself too. Hopefully I can be an inspiration of positivity today. This channel is about motivation, determination, stories, videos, everything to motivate, self-help, healing, self-love, inspiration. So hopefully you're getting all of that in this video today. So stay with me on my next adventure, okay? Okay, so now it's post-workout time. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling inspired, I'm feeling energized, I'm feeling ready to take on my day. Actually, I'm a little hurting a little bit, but you know, it's okay. Gotta feel the burn. It's day one. God bless you. It's day one of many for working out and getting my body healthy. Not trying to really necessarily lose weight or anything, but it's just something that you want to do. Maybe a little pressure from a birthday coming up in a few months, so it's something I gotta do. So now we are going to go to get something to eat. I'm going to be taking my son out, a little mama-son bonding time. You know, we bond with the getting healthy. Now we going to bond with the getting the grub. So, grub with me, people. All right, so vlogs are one of those things that's weird, you know. I know you guys don't want to see my every move, see me wipe my nose or see me actually brushing my teeth or washing my face, but it's like one of those weird things that I just, you know, just don't know what you feel like seeing. So I'm in the car. Yeah, you guys want a video of me putting my foot on the gas pedal? I don't know, like, what do you want a video of me backing up? Like, I see people vlog every little thing, so I don't know what to vlog, but hopefully I'm doing something right. You can do a vlog doing pretty much anything. And my thing is, I hope I'm filming the right content, because some vlogs are boring, and I am not about that boring life. So therefore, no, I'm not gonna take video while you guys go stop at the gas station to pump my gas, you know, because that content doesn't make sense to me. All right, I'll hit you back when I get into the restaurant. So this is why it pays to prepare. Thought I was going somewhere, now I have to shovel out my parking spot, which really sucks. But things you gotta do. Comes with the territory of life, you guys. Thought I was just gonna go slide out in that parking space. Well, looks like I have to get Mr. Shovel to shovel me out. Hello, meet Mr. Shovel. That's me. I'm still inspired, I'm still motivated. Motivated to shovel this daggone snow so I can get the hell somewhere. All right, let me go shovel this. Don't stop it. Just got saved by my neighbor. She moved out in front of me, so therefore I got the shoveling. I didn't have to shovel too much, only like 2 minutes. Neighbor came through. See? Inspiration, positive attitudes about everything. It attracts positivity. So amazing. So now I can just drive straight instead of shoveling out, and I can go somewhere. Hey, it's working out for me. Positive, positive, positive affirmations. Ambiance is everything, you guys. I'm inspired by ambiance. Ambiance can set the mood for a lot of different things. So it's time for a little lunch convo with my son. So, how's life treating you? Good. How's things going? Reaching your goals in life? Yes? All right, sounds good to me. I paid him to say that. I paid him in TV time. Some yummy coconut soup. So, I'm at the restaurant with my baby boy, and this is his time. So I'm just going to show you my food. My food and my son's food. Alright, yummy. So there's nothing worse than eating some food, and food that you can't even eat because someone couldn't get your order right when there was only one other person, one other table guest in the restaurant. So if you got 2 tables and you can't get it right, chances are you're not too bright. But I ate it anyway. I was so greedy, I was halfway into my meal, but I decided to eat it anyway. So, such is life. They took 20% off. The beauty of it, the inspiring part, got something with a little discount. Isn't that nice? Didn't even ask for it. But, hey, still a good day. Food was really salty there anyway. I heard rave reviews about it from people on the news. We're talking about this place. I'm not going to even tell you where it is, but it's a Thai spot in Center City. And don't believe the hype. Alright, anyway. I didn't like my food. I went to this place that was like really salty, and they got really good reviews from some of the news anchors on the morning show. Did you like your food, son?
Yes, I loved it.
Hey, Guess everybody's a critic, except for him. He gives honest reviews. If he really doesn't like something, he doesn't like it. If he likes it, he does. So, you know, I kind of don't like it. I'm not gonna put the spot on blast. It was a place in Center City that was a Thai food place in Center City that I don't really care for. And I'm like, oh, this is what all the hype was about? Like, okay, this is enough to cause anybody's heart attack with all the damn going sodium in their food. Salt Lake City, forget Utah. That was Salt City right there. It's gross. Oh, wait. Look like bronze. I look bronze now. I look like I've been to somebody's beach. I haven't been to those daggone body's beach. I've been to beach, I'm at the bed. Beach, I'm in the bed. Beach, I'm on the couch. Couch beach. Okay? I've been to, got one fan. I've been to couch beach. I've been to bed beach. I've been to kitchen sink beach. I ain't been to nobody's beach. My thing just looked so bronze when I looked at the camera. That's why I'm not really paying attention when I'm saying to y'all. I'm just holding it up on my selfie stick or tripod stick while I'm talking to y'all. This vlog stuff, whew. Inspiration, you know, the good positive spin on the fact that my food, I did mention that they put something that I told them not to put in there as far as an ingredient that I don't eat. They did take 20% off the bill. They apologized profusely. So, hey, I got my bill for a little bit of a discount. That wasn't the main purpose of it, but just fix your salty food restaurant and we'll be all right. Maybe I had a bad experience, but the soup was salty and the dish was salty. So, yeah, I really want to put them on blast, but I don't want to be messy, or do I? But anyway, headed home. Got some things to do. I've wined, I've dined, I've exercised. Now, I just heard the word wine on the radio, and sometimes when you hear words, they can trigger you to want those words or something in that family. So, I'm gonna have me a nice glass of wine and relax from my day of vlogging. And get ready to edit the video that you are currently watching right now. So, hopefully I'll have a nice shoveled out parking space. Ooh, I'm in a red zone. Red zone! Red light special all through the night. Ooh, wow, now I'm super duper light. All these different colors, beautiful colors. Now, you guys enjoy your day. Your weekends are sacred, precious. I'm inspiring you to enjoy, spend time with your family. Good bonding time for me and my son. So, I just say this to say, I wish you guys a wonderful day. See you, catch you on the next video, and hope you feel inspired. Please like, share, and you can find me on IG at Tiffany Cuts the Pain, Tiffani Cuts the Pain. On Instagram, follow me. Also smash that subscriber link, subscribe to my channel. All right, bye.